Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. The 2025 Suzuki Every is a compact minivan designed to meet the needs of families and small businesses, with a blend of practicality, reliability, and affordability. This vehicle is an excellent choice for those seeking a versatile and economical ride. Suzuki has built the Every with a focus on maximizing interior space while maintaining a compact exterior, making it perfect for urban environments and tight parking spaces. One of the standout features of the 2025 Suzuki Every is its fuel-efficient engine. Powered by a 660cc three-cylinder engine, the Every delivers impressive mileage, which is crucial for those looking to save on fuel costs. This engine is mated to either a 5-speed manual or a 3-speed automatic transmission, allowing drivers to choose based on their preferences. The vehicle's lightweight design enhances its fuel economy further, making it a budget-friendly option for both personal and commercial use. The exterior of the Suzuki Every is simple yet functional. Its boxy design ensures maximum interior space while maintaining a compact footprint. The front features a modern grille and sleek headlights, giving it a contemporary look. Sliding doors on both sides provide easy access to the interior, a feature highly appreciated in crowded parking spaces or when loading and unloading cargo. The tall roofline not only adds to its spacious feel but also allows passengers to move comfortably within the cabin. Inside, the 2025 Suzuki Every offers a well-thought-out layout. Despite its compact size, the cabin feels spacious and airy, thanks to its clever use of space. The seats are comfortable and provide adequate support for long drives. Depending on the configuration, the Every can seat up to 7 passengers or be customized to maximize cargo space, making it ideal for both family outings and small business operations. The dashboard is simple and user-friendly, equipped with essential features such as air conditioning, a basic infotainment system, and power windows. Optional upgrades like a touch-screen display and advanced connectivity options are available in higher trims. Safety is a key consideration for the Suzuki Every. The 2025 model comes equipped with features such as dual airbags, anti-lock braking system, ABS, and electronic stability control, escape. These features ensure that drivers and passengers remain protected in various driving conditions. Additionally, the high seating position provides excellent visibility, making it easier to navigate busy city streets and highways. The Suzuki Every is also known for its durability and low maintenance costs. Suzuki has a strong reputation for building reliable vehicles, and the Every is no exception. Its robust build quality ensures that it can handle the rigors of daily use, whether it's transporting goods or ferrying passengers. The availability of spare parts and an extensive service network further enhance its appeal in markets like Pakistan, where affordability and ease of maintenance are critical factors. Priced competitively in the market, the 2025 Suzuki Every is an excellent value-for-money proposition. It caters to a wide range of users, from small business owners looking for a dependable workhorse to families seeking an economical and practical minivan. With its fuel efficiency, spacious interior, and solid build quality, the Suzuki Every continues to be a popular choice in its segment. In conclusion, the 2025 Suzuki Every is a testament to Suzuki's commitment to providing practical and reliable vehicles that meet the diverse needs of its customers. Whether you're a first-time buyer or looking to upgrade to a cost-effective and versatile minivan, the Suzuki Every is worth considering.